My dear friend, today I want to share with you a truth that monks have practiced for centuries, yet applies just as much to your academic journey as it does to the path of inner peace. Excelling in your studies is not just about memorizing books. It is about training the mind, cultivating discipline, and learning how to truly learn. When I was a young novice in the monastery, I thought wisdom came from sitting the longest in meditation. But soon, I discovered that wisdom arises not from the hours you spend, but from the quality of your attention. The same is true for you. If you wish to succeed in your studies, the secret lies not in how much time you spend with your books, but in how deeply you engage with them. Lesson 1. Focus attention. The mind is like a lamp. If the flame flickers, the light is weak. But if it burns steadily, it can illuminate the darkest room. In academics, your focus is your flame. If you try to study while scrolling on your phone or worrying about tomorrow, your mind is divided. But if you give your full presence to the task before you, your learning becomes clear and effortless. One simple practice. When you open your book, take one deep breath. Remind yourself, for this moment, there is only this page, this lesson. The mind, when anchored in the present, learns 10 times faster. Lesson 2. Consistency over intensity. Many students wait until exams approach, then burn themselves out in long nights of study. But true learning is like watering a tree. You cannot pour a bucket of water once a month and expect the tree to thrive. You must give it small amounts, every day, consistently. Set aside time daily for focused study. Even one uninterrupted hour is more powerful than 5 distracted ones. Over weeks and months, the knowledge will grow roots within you. Lesson 3. Learn by teaching. In the monastery, when we studied scriptures, our teacher would often ask us to explain what we had learned to another novice. At first, I thought this was unnecessary. But soon I realized, if you cannot explain something simply, you have not understood it fully. So after you study, close your book and try to teach the concept aloud to a friend, to a sibling, or even to yourself in mirror. This transforms passive reading into active understanding. Lesson 4. Rest and renewal. The mind is not a machine. Just as the body needs rest after walking, the mind also needs stillness after effort. Do not see rest as wasted time. Short breaks, moments of silence, and even mindful breathing restore your concentration and allow your brain to process information more effectively. In fact, some of my best insights came not while I was reading, but while I was walking slowly in the monastery garden, simply allowing my thoughts to settle. Lesson 5. Purpose and intention. Finally, remember this. Knowledge without purpose is like carrying water in a cracked pot. It never stays with you. Ask yourself, why am I learning? What do I wish to do with this knowledge? When your studies are connected to a higher purpose, whether it's to serve others, to create something meaningful, or to simply grow as a person, you'll find motivation even on the hardest days. The path of learning, like the path of life, is not about speed, but about depth. Do not chase grades alone. Chase understanding. Chase wisdom. And when you do, success will follow naturally. So, my friend, excel not by forcing the mind, but by guiding it gently. Be focused, be consistent. Teach what you learn, rest when you must, and connect your knowledge to a greater purpose. In doing so, you will not only excel in academics, you will cultivate a mind that is strong, peaceful, and ready for life itself. Thank you for walking this journey with me today. May your studies be filled with clarity, joy, and wisdom.